3-bedroom hall kitchen apartment, luxurious, lavish, exclusive residences in Tardev area is what we are showing you today. The carpet area is more than 1450 square feet, and plus the beauty is the floor to ceiling height is around 11.6 feet. You see the nice lovely L-shaped living and dining area over here. Another beauty, you have amazing deck as well in this living area, as you all can see. Lovely spacious apartment this is. As you enter on the right hand side, you have the nice lovely open kitchen concept over here. In this kitchen, you also get a separate dry area. This can be used as your dry area, otherwise it can be used as a servant's room as well. Whatever you want, choice is yours. From living, dining, kitchen area, now coming to the first bedroom, this is the master bedroom of this flat. The carpet area of this bedroom itself is around 200 square feet. Very rarely you find such lavish master bedrooms, because you see you have enough leg space over here. The wardrobe is on that side. You have the washroom over here. Amazing planning is done by this developer for this flat. All 3 bedrooms are having washroom attached, plus you have a powder room. On my left is the powder room over here, as you all can see. This is the powder room. Opposite side is the second bedroom over here, which has a washroom attached to it. You can see the wardrobes and everything is planned very nicely. From second, let's come to the third bedroom. Here also you have a washroom attached to it. Once again, I repeat, we are in Tardev area. It's an under construction project, 3-bedroom hall kitchen apartment. You also have the option of 4 and 5-bedroom hall kitchen apartments as well. Possession is expected somewhere around 2028. You have a lot of amenities such as swimming pool, bowling alleys, garden, clubhouse. To know more, please do get in touch with us. Kalpesh Thakkar from Jishnu Realtors. Thank you.